Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for glowing, youthful skin, you've probably heard about vitamin C serum for the face. But does it really work? Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about vitamin C serum, its benefits, how to use it, and what to look for when shopping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more skincare tips. Vitamin C serum is a powerful antioxidant skincare product that's become a must-have in beauty routines worldwide. It's packed with ascorbic acid, which helps brighten your complexion, fade dark spots, and protect your skin from environmental damage. If you're searching for the best vitamin C serum for glowing skin, you're in the right place. So, what does vitamin C serum do for your face? First, it helps reduce hyperpigmentation and dark spots, giving you a more even skin tone. Vitamin C also boosts collagen production, which can minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it fights free radicals caused by sun exposure and pollution, helping to prevent premature aging. If you struggle with dull skin, vitamin C serum can give you that radiant, healthy glow everyone wants. Wondering how to use vitamin C serum for the best results? Start with clean, dry skin. Apply a few drops of serum to your face and neck, gently patting it in. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer and always use sunscreen during the day. Vitamin C makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. For best results, use your vitamin C serum in the morning as part of your daily skincare routine. Not all vitamin C serums are created equal. Look for serums with at least 10 to 20% L-ascorbic acid, and make sure the product is packaged in a dark, airtight bottle to prevent oxidation. Ingredients like vitamin E and ferulic acid can boost the effectiveness of vitamin C. If you have sensitive skin, try a serum with magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, a gentler form of vitamin C. A few quick tips. Always patch test before using a new serum. Store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. And remember, consistency is key. Use it daily for the best results. If you have questions like, can I use vitamin C serum every day? Or is vitamin C serum good for acne-prone skin? The answer is yes. Just be sure to follow up with sunscreen and listen to your skin. That's it for today's video on vitamin C serum for the face. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite vitamin C serum or any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.